gonna come here. I'm gonna take this cover off. We're gonna take this off, and the alternator is right there. That's the alternator. I'll point it to you. I'll point the alternator right there. This one right here, I'm touching it right now. That's the alternator. I'm pointing it. So we're gonna take the wheel off. Take the stuff in the back off. We're gonna take the wheel off to get the some stuff over here off, so we could manage to take the bell off. Like that. Take the wheel off. Right here. This one. Okay. This one off. This one right here. This one right here. I'm gonna take that one right there. And then two in the bottom over there. Or three. Right. And I'll show you. This is a number 7 socket. We're taking this one out now. So this one comes straight out like that. And this one comes out like that. And this one comes out like that. Like that. This one's out. Right here. Like that. And then we got this one up here. This one is number 7 right there. Okay, this is the tool. It's a 3/8 like socket receiver, but there's a hole. That's the hole. The belt tensioner. The belt tensioner is in the bottom, and we're gonna hook it in. We're gonna hook it in like this. Watch. Right there is the hole. Right there. The hole is right there. It's right there. It's inside. It's inside. I think put the tensioner a little bit like that. And when putting the tensioner, this belt comes right up. This belt right here, it comes right up. You're losing the tensioner right there. That means the belt came out, and we let the tensioner go again. If you wanted to, you don't want to go from here. That's the easiest part. That's the easiest way right there. And to put it back is the reversal of the taking off. So there's the tool. There's the tool hooked up to the tensioner to bring it back down, to bring it back up, or whichever, to do whatever we need to do. So, and to put it back on is the reversal. The reversal of taking it off. To put it back on is the reversal of taking it off. So the belt is out. So now we got right here. We take this screw. Take the air off. Only a small. This one the exact same way. It's loosen up like that. This one over here comes over here like that. This one goes to secure like that over there. So now we got this. I will put it over here. We put it away somewhere so that we could find it whenever we need it again. And this one comes out. This comes out. By the way, I'm gonna change my air filter. This one comes out of here like this, like that, because this one gets loosened out prior to taking this off. So now I'm taking this the carburetor air filter off. It's like a plastic case. We put it away like that. Okay, so we could see it. Now we're gonna get the alternator out. And to get the alternator out, we need to get this bolt right here. Number 2 bolts right there. Number 2 right there. And one in the bottom right here. 3 bolts. Number 13. To take these bolts out. So we start with the bottom. Since that would help us bring everything out later. the easiest way, the easiest way. Like that, like that. Okay. Just like that. Just like that. Pick it up and put it over here somewhere like that. Put it over there like that. Then we get the other one. Then we get the other one, the top. But so since we're here, we're gonna take this. Disconnect this wire off. This one is the connector for the alternator that goes into the engine. There's another one right there with a boot, but I cannot get to it. It's a number 13 also. So when I get there, I'll show you. This is the other bolt to take off right here. This one right there. That's the other bolt. And then is this one. And then is this one here. Right there. So now we got him right there. So here we got the other bolt right there. That one. This one goes right there too. Goes right there. Now we're about to get the last one over here. And here we got the last one. The last bolt came out. We got the last bolt came out right there. Okay, so now we set ourselves up to get the alternator out of this. But first we're gonna loosen up the bolt. We turn the alternator around on the way that you can see the bolt that's connected to the alternator, and it has a number 13 nut. So you take the bolt out of the way. And that's the bolt right there. Exposed. Need to bring it out. Get loosened with a number 13 ratchet. Or maybe not, or maybe socket, or maybe a 13 socket, maybe 13 socket, because it doesn't look like it wants to go. You know, doesn't look like that wants to do the job. There. After we got loosened a little bit, we could just unbolt it with our fingers. And there it is. It's exposed. I don't know if we could see it in the camera. I hope you could see it in the camera. And to put it back is a reversal of taking it off. Just like this. We put the bolt back in first, that bolt back in first. right there, right here. We put on a place that we could see it right there, so we could use it when we get out, when we finish it, when we finish to replace the alternator. So here, that's the boot right there. That's the boot right there. Disconnected out of the alternator. Now we got the alternator right here. All we gotta do is bring it out. The way to bring it out, we're gonna move this hose in a way that it could let us some wires out of the way, so we don't run into trouble here with the alternator. Okay, so I think that's it. So now we bring the alternator out. The way to bring the alternator out is to, okay, now the way to bring this alternator out is to move it out of the way. All right. Okay. Okay. Okay, the belt is set here into the alternator, so all I gotta do is go to the bottom and work with the tensioner, so I could hook up the bottom of the belt. So now I'm getting the tensioner down. First I'm gonna hook up this belt over here around this pulley right there, and I could pull the tensioner down now. So I could hook it up into the pulleys where they're supposed to go. Everything has to align perfectly fine, and all done. Now I could slide it all around just to make sure everything is fine. Well, I pull the tensioner and everything is fine. So this tool is the tensioner tool. That's what loosen up the tensioner now. The tensioner is put on. It's right there. The belt is put on and it's right there. All right, yeah. That's how we put an alternator on. The rest is the air filter compartment here and the throttle cover over there. That's what I'm gonna do now. So this is the end of the alternator. The alternator got put on. We got the tire back on. We got the filter back on, and all we're doing now is put the engine cover back on. Yes. And this is all done. And this like that. So all done. So now it's running, everything is back on, and now the car is running. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, make comments, and now ask questions, and talk to you soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.